Hi guys, I've not been here for a little time because I was on my vacations, and now here I am showing you the parts that I have purchased from the dealer here in Georgia, and I'm gonna change on my car. So these are sway bar bushings, front ones. You can see the part numbers. You know from my previous videos that I have uh, bought them 1 year ago or 1.5 years ago, and here is the second one. The part numbers are the same, and today I had the chance to grab the sway bar links too. I am going to change them completely. Here you can see the bushings and the links. The sway bar links are original ones. Here you can see. I don't know who is the manufacturer and where are they made, but they are genuine Mercedes sway bar links. They have laser etched the part numbers on them, and now I will show it to you. And for me, they look very good, especially for the money I gave for them. About $20 I gave per piece of it. Here is the part numbers. The 36 in the middle shows that it goes to the left side, and the another link is lettered with 37, and it tells that it will fit on the right side of your car. Now I will show you the second one. Here you can see it, and this is the right side sway bar link. Here is the part number. In the middle you can see the 37. So once again, this is the right sway bar link, and I have got also the new bolts. The part number for the bolt is A2103231485 X2. This is original Mercedes bolts, which will work on the torque sockets. TX50 is the size you will need to remove and install this bolt. And make sure that you are using a torque wrench with the 18 Newton meters. This is the correct torque moment or specifications for to apply on these bolts. So now I will take my torque sockets and make sure that TX50 is the right size for this big guy. Here is the TX50, and as you can see, it goes with the bolt very good, not enough play, and everything is tight enough to install on your car. I was going to buy the new bolts for the bushings, but the dealer did not have it, and that's why I have to reuse the bolts that are on my car now. The bolts for the bushings are the female torx E11 or E10, E11 and E10 both will go on this application. So guys, now here you can see I have changed the bushings, and I am very surprised what was installed on my car. These are the old bolts I will keep the only bolts. Here is the bushing which I have removed, and here you can see how poorly it looks and how bad the condition is that it has. It is completely worn out, guys. It is destroyed. It is completely destroyed, and I am now sure that I have done right, that I changed them. I haven't changed them myself because you must check your car enough to have the room under it. So I went to the dealer and have did the job. They asked me about $13 for it. For me, it is worth the job. Here you can see the second one. It is also completely worn out, and what I was very surprised when I saw these links. These are custom made rubbers inside. So the previous owner removed the original rubbers and pressed there something strange. I don't know what is it. This is polyurethane or this is rubber. Very strange look, guys. Something wrong with them, and I'm happy now that I have original ones on my car, and these ugly guys are not no more installed in my car. Same story with another link. Rubbers are rubber material on these links are very stiffy, and I cannot recognize what is it. This is rubber, once again polyurethane or something else. So guys, this job is not very difficult. If you have enough room to work under your car, I definitely recommend to DIY this job. I will write down under the video all part numbers you need for it. So this is a little video about this job. Stay tuned, please subscribe, more videos will come soon. Goodbye.